everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope we are doing good. So today we are going to start with another new series that is regarding regular expression, that is regex. So this video is going to be introduction to regex. So what is regex? We will be seeing example of regex and which all like type of regex we have. So let's get started with today's video. Now let's first see what is regex. So first of all, you know that regex is a short form for regular expression. So what is a regular expression is a way to describe a pattern basically. So this pattern, what will it do? It will match with the, any text or any string, specific string, or locate a particular like text in a sentence, document, or any other character input. So in simple words, regex is a pattern used to match character combination in strings. So most common example of regex you have seen that validating email address, validating phone number, or validating a username. So these are the most common example of regex. So let me show you how to validate email address using example only. You can see here example of email matching, and you can see how this regex pattern looks like. So slash is like starting of expression. You can see square bracket, it says that match anything contained within brackets. So if you will see W, that contains any character A to Z, upper or lower, any number 0 to 9. Then you can see dot, it will match dot underscore and other if found. So then closing bracket, so it will search for this. Then plus means match as many time as possible, because in an email address you can see, let's say, knowledge dot trusters at the rate gmail, so characters can be many. So after that, at the rate, so in email at the rate symbol should be there, and after that you can see again word is possible. Then there is dot, so it matches a single period, because dot com, dot in, there are so many, so it depends, then dot should be there. Then again square bracket, so it will match upper and lower case A to Z. Then last is match at least 2 times but not more than that, because one we have, let's say, dot co dot in, so like that also 2 times it is possible. So that's why it should be 2 times but not more than 4 times. So that's the very basic example I have just shown you to explain how regex looks and how what's the meaning of all these symbols you have seen. So in detail we will be going in further videos. So now let's see type of regex we have. You can see there are 4 types. So first one is assertions, then character classes, groups, and back reference quantifiers. So first one, what is assertions? So here it includes boundaries, which indicates, let's say, beginning or ending of lines and words. So and other patterns indicating in some way that a match is like possible. Then character classes. So character classes basically distinguish between a kind of, let's say, characters. So you can distinguish between, let's say, letters and digit. So these what like character classes will do. Then groups and back references. So group basically group multiple patterns as a whole. So basically it creates a group of like patterns basically. So group can be created you like using brackets. So inside anything brackets you will write, that will be like considered as a group. So after that, quantifiers. So quantifiers is basically like you can say indicate number of characters or expressions to match. So in example you have seen plus, so that means as many times. So that's a quantifier example, that number of where number is there, like number of times. So all these types we will be seeing in detail in upcoming videos. So this one is just an introduction video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.